What's up guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm gonna do 1v1 with Twisted. So he confidently asked me to do 1v1 and he say he's like bronze, but still he confidently talk in Urdu. We Muslims. Okay bro. Whoops, he killed me. But still we are gonna play long only. He came from back and killed me. So we are gonna do a no scoping round, a scoping round, and then any gun round. So hey, what you doing? What you doing? I thought that it will be easy to make you lose, but it is like really easy. I was in front of you and you didn't shot me. Really? Oh man, dang it. Okay, so first to 15 will win. So I don't think that I will lose this match. 100% sure. See, I told you. Oh dang it, I have one. And now I have 0 bullet left, but I killed him. So I have very much time. And I'm leading by 2 points right now. And he peeked. Oh! What the hell? OP shot. Oh, what? I'm killing him like so smoothly. And I'm leading by 4 points right now. And please don't kill me. Okay, he said I am angry. Okay, then kill me, man. Rage kill, I mean. I have the ratio of 6. Death and kill ratio right now. See, he's a bronze 3. But he confidently said me that he wanna do a 1v1. So I said, okay, bye. Oh. What's he doing? Lol, he said to Mercury I mean that why are you not dying? I'm 5 HP, man. Oh gaya. Oh bhai, kahan galat jagah hi padi hai. Okay, I like your voice. Thank you, bro. And I like your guys' sport. No, it's support, not sport. Dang it. ओ भाई गलत जगह ही लगी हो भाई. क्या मारा है मैंने? 9-2 का भाई. मारो मुझे मारो. माय गॉड. Okay, so I have the ratio of 5 now, and that's why you should be like confident, not like overconfident. Oh bhai, that shot was so nice, bro. Okay, he killed me once more. And oh bhai, OP shots, OP 4 ratio. Ow, I haven't missed a shot till now. Okay, I don't know what he's doing, and he has a purple skin, and I don't know what the hell is he doing. Hey, what you doing, man? What you doing? Huh? Oh no. Oh, I won this round. Next is the scoping round. So okay, let's go to the scoping round, and I have the ratio of 5. If you guys don't know the meaning of ratio, you don't play Critical Ops much. KD ratio. So, okay, now guys, now is the scoping round. So it's 0-0 right now, and now it's 1-0. So I have to tell you guys something important, that I have my own Discord server. If you want to join, I don't know what the hell happened. And if you want to join the Discord server, then press on the link given below in the description. And yeah, let's continue to the video and kill this. And kill this guy. Okay, he's camping behind this. I knew it. That's why you shouldn't camp, guys, or you die. And now, I'm leading by 2 points right now. What, I missed this shot, but I cannot believe. Okay, he was camping and I shot him through the plant, man. Doing it. That shot was so nice, bro. Yeah. I will keep changing my position so he don't know that where I am. Let's see. He was coming like knife. That I was not there, but I was there. I'm using my mind. Oh wow. I am using. Why are you cheating, bro? You get nothing after cheating. Oh dang it. Okay, see, I told you don't cheat or shall you lose. Okay, I tried a no scope, or rip two no scopes, but he hit me and he cheated again, but I killed him and he's 5 and I'm 10. He's cheating again, I hear him. Ah, darn it, I told you guys that don't cheat or you will die. Okay, so now he's camping behind this and oh darn it, I missed the shot button. Oh yes, he's dead. Oh no, I didn't have the ammo. He was dead. No, please don't give me zigzag, mortal, dynamo. What? It disappeared. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh, I have to use my mind. See, I know that he was coming there, so I jumped off from there and I killed him. What lol, bro? Use your mind, buddy. You are not using your mind. I'm using my mind and techniques. Think about that also. 12-5. See, in close range he's also scoping, but I'm no scoping. He's in low range, and I don't know why I'm speaking so fast. Oh, sounds silly. Let me breathe. And I need 1 point now, and I killed him. Okay, so I won this round. No, what happened, bro? I don't know. He lost, so we'll go to any gun round. So yeah, so let's go there. Okay guys, now any gun round has started and I have AUG in my hands and he also have on AUG in his hands, and we have restarted the match cause it's gonna be the first to 20 rounds. Oh, 20 points. So I'll kill him in with XD, lol. So we'll see that who'll win this. I have won the whole damn challenge, but still we'll see that if he wins this or if he don't wins this. I don't know. But he very confidently said me that come 1v1. And I said okay, alright, yeah, see, I am in the lead by 2 points. Oh dang it, I was trying to kill him with XD, but I didn't kill him. So now I'll not use XD, MR I will use. Boom, 1 shot. Boom, 2 shot. Boom, 3. What? Oh, I missed that shot, but still he died with MR only. And now he didn't have his gun out. I cannot believe he cheated again. That's what you get. 1 tap from MR, bro, for cheating. Don't cheat. Boom, headshot. Oh, that wasn't a headshot. Boom. 1, 2 hits. 3. Oh, I just slightly missed it. That cannot. Okay, AUG is the best choice for me right now. Okay, no. He's cheating, bro. Why you have to cheat like that, bro? My bro. I don't know why did I play with AK. 1 tap. Oh, 1 tap, bro. Okay, 1 tap. Oh, 1 tap. Oh my god. One more 1 tap. Oh, my bad. Okay, he's camping and cheating, but still I'm winning, boys. What? See, I came from the bag and backstabbed him. Oh, what you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? What you doing? Don't, what don't? What don't, bro? What, bhai, what? Oh, 15 by me and I'm leading by 6 points. Okay, I hit it 1 time with Deagle and now I killed him with 16-11. Okay, and I gave him a headshot now. Oh, dang it. I cannot believe it. And oh no! Oh, reflexes bolte OP man, OP reflexes. Boom, headshot. And that's why I don't camp. Can I get my last kill with FP6? Yes, I can. Yes, sir. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, press the like button, share my channel, and yeah, and join my Discord, link in description. And yeah, thanks for watching, and till then, bye bye, and tell me if you wanna do one with me in the comments.